Hello, my name is Jeremy Miranda and today I'm going to present one of the models of the Boyum pack called B1 Print and Delivery. B1 Print and Delivery is an integration with Crystal Reports. It allows you to email, print, and save documents directly from SAP Business One. You can directly send them through your Outlook installed on your local computer, or you can also use your SMTP server or your Exchange server as well. You can send emails one by one. You can also send them directly in a massive way, or you can create your own schedules. So for example, if you want to send all your purchase orders or your payment confirmations at the end of the day, you can create your own schedule, so B1 Print and Delivery can take care of this for you. This additional model can allow you to create your own business logic. So for example, if you want to create due date reminders so you can send this information to your customers directly, or maybe all the account balances for the customers with overdue invoices, you can create your own logic. But let's jump into the system and let me show you how it works directly in a demo database. Here I have a demo database using B1 usability package and also with the activation of the B1 print and delivery model. As well, I have here my Outlook. For demo purposes, I set up the configuration to send the emails directly through my draft folder, but in a live environment, you can activate the system to send them directly to the email address selected. So let me show you one example directly for a well-known document, the sales order. Here I have a sales order previously created. This is the name of the customer, I have the contact person, and normally if you click this Business One mailer icon, a new window will appear where you have to select the contacts, the emails, you have to select from a predefined text maybe the information of the body, but everything is in a simple text. You can't set up, for example, HTML layouts, you can't add colors, and you still have to do things manually. But I told the system, I told B1 Print and Delivery to handle this document for me. I don't want the B1 mailer to take care of this. So please look at the status bar I have here in my screen. So I'm gonna hit the mailer button. You will see, well, it actually runs really fast, but you saw here system message logs. Well, the email is creating the document to use and it's emailing. I never saw any pop-up message or window, but if I jump to my draft folder, you will see a new email right over here. If I open it, I select this to the. If you open it, you will see that there's an attached document. If I open it, here is the layout, a predefined layout created by Boyum IT, but you can also use your own layout created with Crystal Reports. Also, the body of this email is with colors, is using an HTML layout with different text, using the default information of the document, for example, the name of the contact person, the name of the company or the database, and the document number. Also, the subject is also variable, and here for the receipts, I selected two different email addresses. One with a direct email taken from a UDF in the Business Partner Master Data window, and also selecting the email of the default contact person. As you can see, this process is direct, is really fast. You don't have to select any other options, but also if you prefer, you can set up the configuration to show you the email previously before it's sent to the receipt. So in the case you need to modify information, you can do it before you hit the send button with your Outlook. This was the option to send emails directly from a document by one, but you can also tell the system if you don't want to hit the email button to send this email directly when you hit the create button. So for example, imagine you don't only need to send an email. You can also execute multiple transactions with B1 print and delivery. Imagine you have a sales order and you want to send any confirmation email to your customer when you create it, but you also want to create an activity assigned to your user so you can follow up this request, and also create an internal message to the sales manager so he can know about this new sale. But maybe you also want to print this layout in the warehouse so they can be prepared to ship, or to create the picking and packing later today, but you also store a PDF directly in a shared location. So all these activities, all these transactions, they can be done automatically with B1 print and delivery. If you don't want to send the documents one by one, you also have this mass delivery option in the sales and purchase models. So here, for example, I'm going to select the sales orders. I select the option preview. I'm going to select the sales order number 20 and 28 and hit OK. Now print and delivery is creating the emails and send it directly. If I open my Outlook, here I will see the two documents, also with the PDF attached according to the document selected. Now, print and delivery have this option to handle these documents, to mark them. So if you open the window once again, you will see that these documents disappear. But don't worry, if you want to resend the documents to your customers, you can enable this checkbox to include documents already handled by B1 Print and Delivery, and they will appear in the window again. So these options, as you can see, you also have additional parameters so you can filter and find the documents that you want, and not all the history of documents created in SAP Business One. Not only the documents, let me open the mass delivery again, not only the default documents created by SAP are in this list. If you go to the Business Partner Master Data window, you can select the account balance option. This is also created by B1 Print and Delivery. The, the layout or the window created by Boyum IT is very similar than if you execute an agent report. So here, for example, you can select multiple BP codes, filter by the code, uh, different groups or different properties. You can also select between different posting due and document dates, and you can also preview the list of business partners you have in your database. So imagine you have, I don't know, these 6, 7 business partners in your screen, and you want to send the account balance to them. You can just select them, hit OK. Print and delivery is creating all the emails, and if I jump to my draft folder, I will see all the account balances created. If I double click, I will see the default layout attached, including colors, including additional information. But again, this is a crystal report layout, so you can use our predefined layouts. You can modify them, they are open. You can also include, for example, your logo, or you can use your own created from zero layouts. With B1 Print and Delivery, you can also create your own custom emails and reminders. So for example, I have here a documented example that you can actually download from our help center called the Date Reminder. So for example, imagine you want a service to be executed every day and search for the overdue invoices, and then send reminders with different languages, of course, custom bodies to your different customers. You can also do it by yourself. If you want, you can also send happy birthday reminders or emails that can include multiple type of documents, not only the layout of the invoice, for example, but another additional attachments that you can find in SAP Business One or directly in a custom location. So as you can see, B1 Print and Delivery is the perfect extension for your SAP Business One installation. It allows you to create or to have a better communication with your customers, with your suppliers, but also automate a lot of tasks. So you don't have to send emails one by one, exporting the information from SAP and then attaching it manually in Outlook. You can find more videos and search for additional information about this model directly in our website. Don't forget that you can download and install this product for 20 days for free. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy.